Everyone, Abhishek here. Today's topic is query parameters in Postman. So what are query parameters? They are used to pass additional information to the server. So let's take a look at our API. So this is the API which we are working with. So I'm going to take the first request. Now I'm going to just copy this. I have already created a request and named it as query parameters. I'm going to enter this here. So see the first section, if you'll see here, params. Below this you'll be able to see query parameters, query params. Now if I put my URL here, you'll see this particular thing getting popped up called page 2, where it is picking this information. It is picking this information from here. So we can add this information. Now let's say if I want to update this, and if I remove the E, you'll see the update getting here. Okay, I'll change this with page. Now I can add the parameter here. I can add the parameter here. In case I want to directly add in the URL, the syntax starts with question mark. So where whatever is your URL, you put a question mark, and then whatever is your name equal to whatever is the value. That's how it is getting added. Now if I click on send, see, it is going to provide me whatever details I have requested for. But does it mean can we add only one query parameter? No, we can add more. So if I'll add, let's say, section, and let's say I mention 5 here. Okay, now if I click on send, what will happen? It is going to give me the same response. So if query parameter is not relevant, then it is going to ignore that particular thing. But in case it is relevant, it is going to pick that information. So it does not matter whatever you're putting in your query parameters, your URL will work fine, but it is not going to consider that if it is not applicable to that particular path. So these are optional things, and you can add in conjunction as well. Let's say you have parameters which different parameters which you want to use. So you can write an and. If I select here, automatically a and will populate, and then whatever query parameter I have mentioned. Usually query parameters are optional, but in some cases it could be mandatory as well. So this was all about query parameters, and uh, it will be easy to mention in this way, and you can change the values as well at a later point of time if you want. So this is how we do it. We work with query parameters in Postman. Let me know, this sums up the video. Let me know if you have any questions, and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.